Welcome to this guide on how to get membership of the Mountain Medicine Society of Nepal, or MMSN. In this presentation, we will walk you through the steps to become a member of our esteemed organization. The first step is to visit our website. You can go to https://mmsn.org.np using your laptop or PC. Alternatively, you can scan the QR code displayed on this slide to be taken directly to our website. Once you're on our homepage, look for the Get Membership button. Click on this button to proceed with the membership process. After clicking on Get Membership, follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Make sure to read all the details provided at each step to ensure a smooth application process. Next, you'll need to pay the membership fee. You can use Calty or IME Pay or Connect IPS for payment. Remember to keep a soft copy of your payment voucher, as you'll need to upload it in the Google form later. Now, you'll need to fill out a Google form. This form is available on our website, or you can scan the QR code shown on this slide to access it directly. Make sure to fill in all the information accurately and completely. After submitting the form, your application process is complete. You will be added to our Gmail mailing list within 6 working days. Please check your spam folder if you don't see our email in your inbox. If you encounter any issues with your membership, you can contact us at membership.members.mmsn@gmail.com. Thank you.